Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my April 2022 Boxycharm base box unboxing. I am of course so excited to unbox this. I love my beauty subscription boxes. So now I will have received both of my Boxycharm boxes. My premium unboxing is already up here on my YouTube channel. And then I'm still waiting for my other two Ipsy Glam bags, which I will of course be unbagging here on YouTube as soon as I get those as well. But if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I love beauty products and I love makeup and I love subscription boxes. And so here on YouTube, I also have a series where I try out all of the makeup products that I get in these beauty subscriptions. So if that sounds like the type of content that you like to watch, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get into the unboxing. So this is the least expensive Boxycharm subscription. And you get 5 full-size products. Right on top here, I have my product information, and that will let me know the retail value so I can add up the total retail value. And so I see some brands that are very recognizable and maybe some brands that I don't recognize from first glance. In my Boxycharm premium box, I felt like I got so many new brands that I hadn't heard of before, and that's one of my favorite parts of these beauty subscriptions. But first, I have to reach for this box here that says foundation, because that's one of my favorite types of makeup products to get. And this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a brand that I love and I get so excited to see in these beauty subscription boxes. And this is the Luminous Foundation, which sounds awesome. I have this in the shade 160C. Hopefully I did a good job of choosing the right shade for me. My skin right now is very red, so hard to tell, but this is a big foundation. Nice glass packaging. Let's see what this retails for. Yeah, so the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation retails for $38. So that's why I love to get Anastasia Beverly Hills in the beauty subscription boxes like this, because it's a pricey brand, but they make incredible products that I wish I could purchase all of them, but I love when I can get them for such a good deal in these types of boxes. And so let's move on to the next product here. Oh, this is from Studio Makeup. This is a brand that I see a lot in the beauty subscription boxes. And this is Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. I have that reaction because I don't want to get skincare, especially serums, in my beauty subscription boxes. I want to get makeup. And with these subscriptions, you get to give exactly that type of feedback. You fill out questionnaires, you leave reviews, and I always put that I don't want these types of skincare products and I want to get the makeup. So when it seems like I'm getting products that are not fitting the feedback that I've given these subscription companies, it's very frustrating because, you know, the prices are going up on their boxes and I'm spending so much money on these every single month. So I want it to be personalized to my preferences. And I have so many serums, but I mean, hyaluronic acid, I do like that. I'm sure this is fine, but I'm not going to be getting to this anytime soon because I also stick with the same skincare products all the time. Like, I don't change them out until they're empty because I want to see the results and I want my skin to get used to them. Whereas with makeup, I change it up every single day. But so the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum retails for $45. I also just haven't been super excited by the brand Studio Makeup. I have tried out a lot of products and it's not really been impressing me very much. But okay, let's move on to something else. Okay, oh my gosh, at first I thought this was a black eyeliner and that would have sent me on a whole other tangent about how I don't want to get black eyeliners, and I don't actually have to go into that because this is from the brand Item Beauty, which I've had some success with the products I've tried from this brand. And this is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. Okay, and so I thought this seemed familiar, but I didn't recognize the packaging. I actually already have this product. And I got it in Ipsy. And Boxycharm and Ipsy are kind of connected now, so I don't want to be getting products in Boxycharm that I already got in Ipsy. So I will have my review of this linked in the description down below because I've already done a full dedicated review video on this mascara. Okay, next up, ooh, I like the packaging on this product. And this is from a brand that I have not heard of, which is very exciting to me. It's Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, I'm excited to see that in the shade Rose Quartz, which is right up my alley. I love pink and sparkly. Okay, this looks beautiful. This is a product that I'm excited to get and excited to try out. So this will be coming up soon as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series here on YouTube. So yay, a new brand to try out, a fun type of makeup product. I'm excited about this. Oh, I've been forgetting to let you know the retail values. So the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara retails for $15, and this Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow retails for $22. I don't feel like I'm going to have very high retail value in this box compared to other boxes and other months. Oh, and the last product in here does not look like makeup. Oh my gosh. This is actually a clay cleanser from the brand Sela, which is a brand I recognize. I've gotten this brand before in the beauty subscription boxes. It's pretty recognizable packaging and very cute packaging, but this is a glacier clay cleanser, gentle glacial cleansing cream. Gosh, I was saying how I don't want serums. I honestly might want cleansers even less than I want serums. Like, I have so many cleansers, and this is just not super exciting to get in my box when, like I was saying, I've said that I don't want this type of product in my boxes, and here I am paying a lot of money for really only 2 products in this box that I'm actually excited to get. That's usually not the case with Boxycharm. This might be one of my most disappointing Boxycharm boxes that I've gotten. Usually I really love the products that I get in Boxycharm. But so this Sela by Celine Tadrizi Glacier Clay Cleanser retails for $45. So that is very expensive for a cleanser. So it is kind of neat that I can try out these very expensive skincare brands that I would never purchase on my own. But still, I don't have to keep saying that. I would rather have makeup. But so I'm going to do a quick recap and add up the total retail value. So the products that I got: the Item Beauty Lash Snack Mascara, the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation, the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow, and the Sela Clay Cleanser. And that brings me to a total retail value of $165, which is still a great value, but that's more like the type of retail value that I see in Ipsy. Boxycharm I feel like is usually closer to 200, over 200. So definitely disappointed in this box, as I'm sure you can tell. But I would really like to hear in the comments down below a few things. What did you get in your April 2022 Boxycharm base box? Also, if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. Sometimes I hear how much you love a product that I received and that I'm not super excited about, but then once I know that you love it, that makes me a little bit more excited to have it now. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.